Welcome to our Doodle video on generative AI and prompt. Introduction to AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like a smart brain that can learn and make decisions.
What is generative AI? Generative AI is a type of AI that can create new content. It can generate images, write stories, compose music, and more.
How does generative AI work? Generative AI works by learning patterns from large amounts of data. It then uses these patterns to create new, original content. What is a prompt? A prompt is a specific instruction or question you give to the AI. It guides the AI on what to create. Examples of prompts. For example, you can ask the AI to write a short story about a robot, or create an image of a futuristic city. The AI will use the prompt to generate the content.
The magic of prompts. The magic of prompts is that they allow you to control the output. By changing the prompt, you can get completely different results. Practical applications. Generative AI and prompts are used in many fields, from art and design to writing and music. They help creators explore new ideas and innovate faster. Conclusion. So, that's a quick look at prompt and generative AI. With the right prompts, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching. Stay curious and keep creating.